Here's a quick demo of the portal that we have built for agents to self-serve with Ownify. Now, as we built this, we did test along the way with our accredited agents and have so far received some very positive feedback. Once agents are accredited, they'll be able to access this portal and the features within. We have features to invite customers, to apply, and that automatically tags them to the agent. So they can do this in two ways. They can invite an individual customer to apply by simply giving the details, sending them an invite, and that will take that customer directly to our pre-qualification flow. Or we've done this for customers at scale via this referral link that the agent can use on social media and such like through sort of campaign activity. And then any customer that goes on to join us through the pre-qualification flow here that this will link to will be automatically tagged to that agent. The agent can then manage customers as they apply by keeping track of progress through this page here. And they can intervene as needed. So here, where the customer is yet to complete an application, they can follow up with that customer and check if they need any help. Where an application has maybe not yet started, there's an ability to resend an invitation, and then they will automatically be notified once an application is complete and that customer is ready to enter the house purchase process. During the house purchase process, the agent can look at property eligibility with a simple click of a button by entering any address. And within moments, they will know if that property is an eligible property for the Ownify program. Alongside that, they can simply check out our payment calculator, entering any property or potential bid amount, and seeing what the customer payment schedule would look like and projected equity values. We also have some resources for the agent to help customer conversations. We have worked these up in conjunctions with agents and will continue to add relevant resources into this tab, one-pagers, slide decks and such like for the agents to use. And there's some detailed FAQs, again, based on the questions that our agents are asking us. And detailed answers to help them manage conversations with their customers. We've also got a very simple contact us method for immediate queries. So we will add new features as and when we get feedback, and we'll continue to build out the resources available so agents can use this as their simple one-stop shop.